Just down the road from the theme park capital of Orlando is a city known for its thriving plant nurseries, farms, and unbelievable natural beauty. Near the community of Apopka, you'll find a number of spots where you can get in touch with nature, from clear springs to this large farm where in the autumn you can get lost in a corn maze. Hi everyone, I'm ChadGallivanter. You've found the channel with travel tips and guides that won't waste your time. Today, I'm exploring Apopka, Florida, showing you some favorite things you can't miss. The gallivanting starts now. Great Scott Farms, formerly known as Long and Scott Farms, is a family-owned farm near Apopka that has been providing farm fresh produce since the 1960s. It's a popular destination for locals and visitors who know this is the place to pick up some Zellwood triple sweet gourmet corn, along with jams and jellies as well as honey and sauces. The farm place hosts two special events throughout the year, including what's happening right now. Every autumn is a huge festival that includes hay rides, pumpkin patch, adventure park, and everyone's favorite, a 7-acre corn maze. This is one of my favorite mazes in Central Florida, challenging for all ages. Here's the website for more information. Covering more than 7,000 acres is one of the most popular natural attractions in the Orlando area, Waka Springs State Park. Minutes from downtown in the community of Apopka, visitors have been flocking here since the mid-19th century, making it Orange County's longest-running tourist attraction. Hiking, biking, horseback riding, paddling, all the normal recreational activities available on property. Of course, the number one reason so many people come here is the spring, which provides around 42 million gallons of water each day to the river. When the weather is decent, this park fills up fast, and you can find yourself in the middle of Orlando's largest pool party by late morning. Waka Springs State Park is open 8 a.m. until sundown, 365 days a year. At $6 per vehicle, it's one of the most affordable, fun things to do in the area. If you enjoy being out in nature but want to avoid the heat, you'll love this 11-mile drive through the Lake Apopka North Shore. You can spot hundreds of bird species as well as alligators, turtles, otters, and more from the comfort of your vehicle. The drive is open from sunrise to sunset on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, and federal holidays. You can also explore the area by bike or on foot at the Lake Apopka Loop Trail. Ask any local and they're likely to tell you one of their favorite swimming holes can be found 17 miles northwest of Orlando. Spanning more than 250 acres in the community of Apopka, Kelly Park is one of the most pristine natural spots in Central Florida. The centerpiece is the swift-moving Rock Springs Run, which is nearly a mile long and can take up to 30 minutes to travel. The spring itself maintains an average flow of 26,000 gallons of water per minute. The temperature, a constant 68 degrees. Swimming is one of the most popular activities here, along with tubing, kayaking, and hiking. There are several pavilions for picnics and campgrounds for families and larger groups. Admission to Kelly Park is very affordable, which means it doesn't take long for the parking lots to reach capacity on a nice day. We have a link on our website to the park's FAQ section, which explains all policies in detail, which I suggest you read before making the trip. If you're looking for something unique for your home, you'll most likely find it here at Trader May's Furniture and Decor Market. Encompassing two large buildings at 2001 Rock Springs Road in Apopka, this marketplace features more than 100 vendors, all with a really creative eye. You'll find a collection of furniture, vintage, farmhouse, shabby chic, and of course, antiques offered by different vendors. Abby and I have purchased several one-of-a-kind pieces here over the years and have always found prices reasonable. The friendly staff offers complimentary coffee and water while you shop, and on weekends you can sip and stroll with free beer and wine. Trader May's is open 10 till 5 Thursday through Monday. The Aven Reconditioning Center is a donation-based facility dedicated to the physical rehabilitation of raptors, like eagles, hawks, falcons, and owls. This place is very educational and highly recommended if you're in the area on a Saturday, the only day during the week that they're open to the public. Head over to their website or call the number on your screen for more information. If you have a sweet tooth and want to try something different, let me introduce you to Vampire Penguin. This is a dessert shop that serves shaved snow with fresh toppings. Shaved snow is like shaved ice, but lighter and fluffier. You can choose from different flavors and combinations of snow and toppings. They also have vegan and gluten-free options. That's it, a few of the things you can't miss in Apopka, Florida. Remember, these are just a few of my favorites. What are yours? Let me know in the comments and I'll add them the next time. From Central Florida, I'm ChadGallivanter. See you later.